This is Cooking with Denise. This is a pork loin. On the bottom, I have onion. I use red onion, garlic, celery, and carrots. So I season. I have a longhorn season, but I added some others like garlic. There is fresh garlic in it, also some parsley. I did add onion powder and garlic powder just to have extra kick to it. And I put a little wine. I figure wine might tenderize. I'm going to put some stock in it so I can make the gravy. So I'm going to cook it probably for 4 hours. I'll see how it is after 4 hours. So I'm going to slow cook it. So it should be good. And then I'm going to make the broccoli and the small potatoes together. I'm going to roast them in the oven with Parmesan cheese on top. So stay tuned to the end. Bye for now. I'll be back real soon. So this is the end results. I made homemade gravy. That's the roasted potatoes with broccoli with Parmesan cheese on top. That's it. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.